Welcome to Everyday STEAM Experiments with Caroline Reddy. So we have created a bouncy egg. If you bounce it a little bit, that's great. If you bounce it too much, it might break. It's been in vinegar for about 24 hours. I also added some food coloring. It's kind of cool. There's bubbles, there's food coloring, and there is vinegar in there. So these are all questions that have been provided in the blog and websites to look at. So some questions that you can ask are, what has happened to the egg? Why is it bouncy? What happened to the outer shell? What would happen if we put this egg in there for a longer time? What other liquids can we experiment with? And these are some wonderful questions that the caregiver and child could explore. And with the food coloring, I put it the last minute, but if you want, you could use it earlier, and I would use liquid instead of gel as well. I think that would work better. So here we go. It's a little bouncy. And if I bounce it any more, it'll probably break, so you want to be careful when you are exploring the bouncy egg. Okay, take care. See you soon. Bye.